Welcome to Wealth Harvest. Are you curious about the secrets to financial success? In this video, we unveil the 12 assets that can pave your path to wealth. From real estate to cryptocurrency, discover the diverse world of opportunities. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe for more insightful content on growing your prosperity. Number 1. Real estate. Investing in real estate involves buying properties that can go up in value over time. You might buy a house and later sell it for more money than you paid. Another way is to own properties and rent them to people. They pay you rent, and that can be a steady income. Real estate can also include things like apartments or shops. When more people want to live or work in an area, the value of the properties there can increase, and you can make money when you sell. Number 2. Stocks. Stocks are like tiny pieces of a company that you can buy. When you own stocks, you own a part of that company. Companies can grow, and when they do, the value of your stocks can go up. So if you buy stocks when they are not worth much and sell them later when they are worth more, you can make money. But be careful, because stocks can also go down in value. It's like having a little piece of many companies, and if those companies do well, your little pieces can become more valuable. Number 3. Bonds. Bonds are a bit like loans you give to companies or the government. When you buy a bond, you're lending them money. In return, they promise to pay back that money after a set time, plus a little extra as a thank you, interest. While bonds usually offer lower returns than stocks, they're safer because they're like a promise. It's like saying, "I'll lend you money, and you promise to give it back with a bit extra later." It's a way to make money while knowing you'll likely get your money back. Number 4. Mutual funds and ETFs. Mutual funds and ETFs are like team players for your money. Instead of choosing individual stocks or bonds, you give your money to professional managers who create a group, a fund, of different stocks, bonds, or other assets. These managers watch over your money and make decisions to grow it. With mutual funds, many people pool their money together. ETFs are similar, but are traded on the stock market like individual stocks. They're a way to own a mix of things without having to pick each one yourself, making investing easier for many people. Number 5. Cash savings. Cash savings are like keeping your money safe and ready. It's the money you can quickly use whenever you need it. But here's the thing. When you keep your money in savings, it usually doesn't grow much. It's like having your money take a little rest, staying safe, but not making many new friends. While it's handy to have some cash saved for emergencies or quick needs, you might want to consider other ways to invest if you want your money to grow more over time. Number 6. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Certificates of deposit, CDs, are a bit like making a deal with a bank. You agree to leave your money with them for a set amount of time, and in return, they give you a bit more money as a thank you gift, interest. It's like saying, "I'll let you borrow my money, but you have to give it back with a little extra after some time." The catch is, you can't take your money out early without a penalty. CDs are like planting a money seed. It grows, but you need to wait until it's ready to be picked. Number 7. Gold and silver. Gold and silver are special metals that people really like. They're not just for making pretty jewelry, they're also like money that never goes out of style. When things get a bit uncertain in the world, people often turn to gold and silver because they usually stay valuable. It's like having a shiny friend that doesn't change much, even when everything else is a bit up and down. So some folks buy gold and silver as a way to keep their money safe when the world feels a bit wobbly. Number 8. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is like money, but it's on the internet. Instead of coins or bills, it's all digital. People use special computer codes to make sure it's secure. One exciting thing about cryptocurrency is that its value can change a lot quickly. It's like being on a roller coaster. It can go up really fast, but it can also go down. Some folks buy cryptocurrency hoping it will become worth more over time. But it's important to remember that it's a bit like a digital adventure with ups and downs. Number 9. Art and collectibles. Art and collectibles are like treasures you can see and touch. They're not just pretty things, they can also be valuable. Imagine having a painting or a rare comic book that becomes more and more special over time. People might want to buy it from you for more money than you paid. It's like having a piece of history or a one-of-a-kind item that others really want. So, some people invest in art and collectibles, not just because they look nice, but because they can also grow in value, like having a piece of history that gets more valuable with time. Number 10. Intellectual property. Intellectual property is like owning really smart ideas. It includes things like inventions, logos, and stories. When you create something cool and new, you can own the rights to it. Others might want to use it, and when they do, they have to pay you. It's like saying, "I made this, and if you want to use it, you have to give me a little something in return." So, having valuable ideas can be like having a secret recipe that everyone wants, and you get a little payment each time someone uses it. Number 11. Human capital. Human capital is like having super skills. It's not about having money or things. It's about what you know and what you can do. Imagine you're really good at fixing things or creating amazing computer programs. That's your human capital. It's like having a superpower that helps you make money. People might pay you for your skills, whether it's fixing their car or helping them with computer problems. So, your human capital is like your special set of skills that can open doors to opportunities and help you earn a living. Number 12. Social capital. Social capital is like having a bunch of good friends. It's not about money, it's about the people you know. When you have a lot of friends and connections, that's your social capital. It's like having a big network of helpful buddies. They can share useful information, introduce you to new opportunities, or lend a hand when you need it. So, social capital is like having a team of friends who can make life a bit easier. The more friends and connections you have, the more chances you get to learn and grow, sort of like having a bunch of friendly guides in the adventure of life. As we conclude our journey through the 12 assets, remember that every investment carries some hidden risks. Diversify wisely, stay informed, and consult with financial experts to navigate potential pitfalls. Your financial journey is unique, and caution is your ally. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's cultivate wealth wisely. Until next time on Wealth Harvest.